So, today's topic is pretty layered. It's about handling conflicts and relationships using something called the Law of 3-7. Ever heard of that?
I hadn't, but once I dug into it, it's kind of fascinating. It's not just numbers, it's a strategy, right?
Exactly. Like, when you're the one struggling in a situation, the weaker party, you shouldn't push your full agenda, just 30% tops,
That surprised me. Only 30% seems counterintuitive. Why not go all in?
because it's about energy balance. If you press too hard, people resist. But with just third eye, you open up room for dialogue.
I guess that's the genius of it. Gentle influence, not forceful persuasion.
Right. And once that discussion leads to a positive result, you earn credibility.
And that credibility, that becomes your stepping stone to get the other 70%. But gradually.
Yeah, phase by phase. Like climbing a mountain in 3 steady hikes, not one mad dash.
It's kind of like emotional negotiation. Like if you're dealing with a tough partner, being loud rarely helps.
Exactly. The stressed out person, man or woman, needs to approach with humility, not pressure.
So it's more like appealing to the other person's heart rather than their logic.
Yup. And it works across the board: family, business, even national conflicts.
That's wild. The example about labor versus management really nailed it. The government shouldn't just pressure both sides.
Yeah, because stopgap solutions don't resolve anything, they just delay the explosion.
Like a soda bottle shaken and capped. Eventually, boom.
And the longer it's delayed, the worse it gets. Reaches 70% emotional load, with no outlet.
That's what makes the law of 3-7 so powerful. It channels that energy into resolution instead of eruption.
And it's rooted in understanding grand nature. That our world operates in 3 phases.
Kind of reminds me of planting, sowing, growing, harvesting.
Perfect analogy. That's why rushing to harvest ruins everything.
But here's the twist. It's not just about results, it's about righteous results.
Yup. Greed messes it all up. The goal is to do what's right, not just what's effective.
That's wisdom, true wisdom. And it's something we all kind of need right now.
Totally. Especially those in leadership. If you don't know the law, don't step in to mediate.
Or you'll just add fuel to a slow burning fire.
Exactly. So, here's a thought for our listeners. Next time you're in conflict, are you pushing your 30% or trying to grab the 100%?
That's a solid question, and maybe a good place to pause. Let that sink in.